Hello, boys and girls. It's a new week, and we are going to meet our last Letterland friend. And his name is Fix It Max. Fix It Max loves to fix stuff that's broken. A lot of the friends in Letterland will bring him things that need repair or fixing. And if you take Fix It Max away from his letter, you get the letter X. X says X. So let's read Fix It Max's story, and then we're going to talk about how you can find X and its sound in different words. This little boy is called Fix It Max. He's just 6 years old. He's called Fix It Max because he is so good at fixing things. Often when he has fixed something, he gives it back with a note saying, "All fixed, love from Max," with X's. He is going to fix his friend Maxine's broken exit sign. See? It's broken in 2 pieces. Then a broken exercise machine. Eddie Elephant brought his exercise machine to him. There are always so many things to fix. Max has boxes full of tools, but he knows never to touch dangerous things like saws unless there is a grown-up there. His letter by itself means a kiss. To make his sound, just whisper like this. And so with Max, you have exit, you have box. His name ends in the X sound. Exercise machine. So these are some of the things that have an X sound in it. And Max is how many years old, do you remember? 6. Alright, so let's look in our bucket. And here is an uppercase X and a lowercase x. They look the same. One's just bigger than the other. So the uppercase is bigger than the lowercase. Alright. So we have a picture here of an X-ray. If something's wrong with the bones in your body, you could go to the hospital and you stand in a room with a machine, and it's like a big camera that looks inside your body, and this would be what your bones look like, and this is called an X-ray. And then some of you might have played this little instrument, might have a toy instrument at home. It's called a xylophone. Now it sounds kind of like a Z sound, xylophone, but it's actually spelled Xylophone, xylophone. And then there aren't many words that start with Fix It Max's letter, the letter X, but we do hear it at the end of some words. Like we might hear it in the word box. A box that you could put a gift in. Box. We also hear it with the word box. Box ends in X. And also, how old was Max? He was 6 years old. 6 ends in X. And then we also have the word axe. Axe, like you can chop wood with an axe. So you hear more words that end in X than you do at the beginning. So axe, box, 6, box. And then a couple of words that you hear in the beginning are xylophone and X-ray. And if some of you play video games, you might have an Xbox. Might have one of those. All right, so go around your house today. See what items you can find that have the X sound and listen for Fix It Max's letter. X